Hi, I'm Alison Grant. I'm one of the quality managers here, and I've been at JR for almost 10 years. What my job entails is dealing with quality issues on the floor and quality issues from the customer. In the unlikely event we do send a bad part out to our customer, they'll reach out to my team and we'll work on figuring out what happened and how to fix the issue for them, how to remedy it. When I started at JR as a consultant, I moved into the quality assistant position, and from there I moved into the customer quality engineer position, and now I've worked my way up to be one of the quality managers. So JRM's philosophy, we are people first. We focus on making sure that our employees are feeling heard and are feeling like we care about them. And one way that we do that is through all of our special events. So we have several different incentives we like to give our employees. The first is Employee Appreciation Week. I'm also involved with planning the Thanksgiving events. Our biggest event of the year is the JRM Christmas party in December. We have bands or entertainment come in. We do top prizes, top gifts. It's a great opportunity for our employees to come together outside of the work setting and kind of hang out, enjoy themselves, and have a good time. So over the decade that I've been here, we have set up a healthcare task force team that has completely redesigned the health insurance system to try and make it what's best for our team members. The company is not afraid to provide us with a substantial budget in order to give the employees something that we feel they really want. So what I love about JR is I moved here from out of town. I didn't know anybody moving into the Mercer County area, and I have become friends and family with the people I work with. They're my neighbors. I see them out on the weekends, at the grocery store, at the bowling alley. I really enjoy seeing the people I work with outside of work and building the friendships and relationships that we have. So if you're looking for a great place to work, go to jrmanufacturing.net.